I had a preconceived notion that a lot of technical skills and coding skills are required to get a job as a product manager, but that's definitely not the case in any of the startups or the companies out there. First of all, my university had remote classes, again due to the entire COVID scenario. So I just thought about joining Upraised CAP program because of two reasons. First of all, I have had a very good experience with the Upraised Embark program, which also helped me to land an internship because I was in the top 2% of the Embark fellows. And after that, I discovered the different products that Upraised has, which are three. First was Embark, second was Prepper, and third was CAP. So CAP was particularly suited to me for two reasons. First, it was a 4 months long program which helped me to structure my classes along with the Upraised CAP program, which I used to do the assignments and all of the major stuff on the weekend when I did not have in my college. Second thing, this also helped me to get a better network in the product community, interacting with my fellow peers, interacting with the founders of Upraised like Mona Gandhi and the industry experts. So I think that these are the two main reasons due to which I joined CAP program. First of all, it has been given on a mobile device and we have both iOS and Android apps. That is kind of very interesting because the format and the interface was very friendly to the user who is giving the test, right? A very simple layout, and we had a lot of case studies inside the KYS test, which I definitely loved a lot, due to which I was able to see, right? Because that KYS test is designed in such a way that you cannot hack it, you cannot cheat in it, right? So you just have to give it your best. And after the KYS test, the assessment report that comes out, stating your strengths and weakness, that definitely helped me in making the decision to take the CAP program. First is definitely know about the recruiter, the person who is interviewing you, right? Because in that way, you can strike a chord with them. You know that this person has worked at X company and you probably know a problem statement, right? That you can tell to them about, right? So in that way, it actually enhances your conversation and it makes it much more casual instead of formal. Because at the end of the day, they are looking forward to recruiting a candidate. And there are hundreds of candidates out there, so you have to differentiate yourself in as many ways as possible. Know about the recruiter, the person who is interviewing you, and know about the company. What exactly the company is doing, how they are doing, what are the problems that they are facing. Scan it out, go to their Play Store. If they haven't built their products out yet, right? Talk to the people that they're recruiting. See the news. What exactly are they using the funding amount for? Top 3 in the rank of priority according to me would be, first is problem solving, definitely, right? You need to know about which exactly are vitamins and which exactly are painkillers. Users suggest a lot of things when they have the freedom to do so, right? You're asking them for their feedback, you're asking them to give a place to review. They're gonna write thousands of negative stuff, right? But let me tell you one thing which I have also done in the past. If I have had a good experience with any app, I don't write a positive feedback because I don't have the time for that, right? But if I have a negative feedback about that app, so I write it, right? You need to keep that in mind, that the user is a human exactly like you have been in your past life before you became a product manager, right? And you just sat across the table from these users. So then that is knack for problem solving and ability to really understand about what the user is classifying as a vitamin or a painkiller. That's the first and the most important aspect of becoming a really great PM in the world. Second is your user empathy. Always think from the user's point of view, right? What exactly is the solution that my app is giving? What exactly is the job to be done for that particular user using my app? Are they having any problems in doing that job? Are they having a good time? Were they having a good time before we released this update that added some new bugs in the app, due to which users are complaining in the last 1 or 2 weeks, right? And third, I will say, just have a knack for data, right? You are having these huge analytics dashboards from Mixpanel, Amplitude, Google Analytics. You need to be able to make sense out of it. Numbers are floating around. Your company has raised XYZ funding, this team member has joined you, 1,000 users have given negative review. But you need to be able to see through the data so that you are able to devise solutions to the problem at hand.